Let's have a look at Sandberg Active Bluetooth Sports earphones that feature Bluetooth 4.1 and 8-hour stamina. Inside the packaging you can find manual, earphones themselves, charging cable, and different pieces of these. Okay, so there are two another ear caps, two sets, one smaller, one bigger. Charging cable that fits any standard USB port, and micro USB, standard micro USB on the other side, so you can use the same charger probably as your phone. And the earphones themselves, they really fit nicely. They stay at place, they don't wiggle, they don't move. The sound is decent. There you can see minus, plus, and on-off button. There's a small LED that signalizes charging. They feel really nice and soft. They are really smooth and flexible. I'm happy with them.